Follow these simple steps to remove the hair background in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting an image. First, go to the Select menu and click Select and Mask. You can choose onion skin. Set transparency 100%. Then click Select Subject. Activate Decontaminate Colors. You can set the percentage amount. Click this icon, then set it like this. Use the square bracket symbol to enlarge or reduce the brush diameter. Apply it like this. Set the output to a new layer with Layer Mask. And click OK. Now you can export it as PNG to save it. And this is the result. Finished, and good luck. I hope this method helps. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.